How to add newsletter pop-up in Shopify. So the first step is to simply click on add apps, and then here you're gonna have to simply click on view more next to made by Shopify and click on Shopify forums. Now here what you're gonna have to do is simply click on install, and then you're gonna have to install it again basically. So let's wait until this loads up. And basically with this free app we're gonna be able to set up the pop-ups as you can see right here. So let me refresh this. So let's go back here and let's click on install again, and now we should get redirected to Shopify. So I'm gonna pin this to my navigation so I can get access. So here you're gonna have to click on create form, then select pop-up, and then simply name it the newsletter, and then click on create, and then you can simply select the overlay, floating and everything. Here you can play with the settings and everything, and basically what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on save, and that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.